Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your country in Google Play Store. So first up, what you need to do is to launch the Google Play Store app on your device, and then from there, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner and head to Settings. Next, select Account and Device Preferences. Now, if you're eligible, you'll see the option to change your country. Go ahead and tap on Country and Profiles if you see the option. Then choose the country you'll want to switch to. Do take note that you'll need a payment method from that specific country. And then follow the on-screen instructions to add a new payment method and confirm the change. Now, some few pointers to take note of is that you can only change your country once per year. Also, your Google Play balance from the old country won't carry over. And finally, some content may not be available in the new region. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.